We got Jim Mitchell from RealWorldPDR over here in the Anson booth, and we want to talk about the compact handle a little bit more and get his take on it. Have you gotten a chance to play around with them?
I absolutely have. Anson was kind enough to send one to me, and I love it. So I've been using it with a lot of the smaller diameter whale tails. And then I was just told what this tool was. Who made this one?
That's the Danny Espinal tool.
This thing is phenomenal. I didn't even know that there was a name to it. They just sent it to me, and I love it. Especially combined with this mini tactical handle. I really like the handle. There's like a lot of good, like, I don't know what you would call it, like, you know whenever it's in place. It's like, it's like very tactile.
It's got a lock in.
Yes, it's a very good feel to it, especially when you're in like underneath hoods or what have you, and you don't need that big long. It's been a really cool tool. We've actually been selling a whole bunch of them too.
Right. Very cool. Very cool. Have you had to extend the handle at all, or is it really just this is what you do?
I have not extended the handle at all because I haven't needed to. This is kind of like my fine tuning work.
Right.
You know what
That's
I mean?
what I figured.
So if I'm doing some big gross movements, I'm using the regular tactile handle. This one is just for getting that finishing stuff.
Speaking of fine tuning, you get a lot of motional movement out of this one little tool, right? You can. What does it got? Like 18 different settings, you think? Or
I don't.
I mean,
know.
you can just you get so much out of it, right?
It's more than enough, I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Well,
it feels like
good.
I can fine tune a position for my wrist, no problem.
Right.
It's not lacking in any versatility, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Awesome,
You can
awesome.
find a comfortable spot at any rate.
100%.
Right.
Yep.
And if you're looking for PDR training, I suggest starting with this guy's website right here, RealWorldPDR.com. It's where I started. So please go and check it out. If you're interested and you're determined and you're ready to take that kind of move, it's a great place to start.
Thank you for saying that. This has been such a cool show. I've got to meet so many people who have been able to benefit from the online training, shake their hands, put faces to the name. So you're another one. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks for coming on. We really appreciate you taking the time.
Brother.
Yes, sir.
So crank it up loud.